Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nushikira binti Hamzah. My mentoring number is 267848. Okay, today I will explain about quality awareness in warehouse among management level and CO worker. Okay, first one is we need to require training for warehouse worker. As we all know, the OSHA is very important to all company. Mandatory employee training is another OSHA requirement. OSHA training requirement is OSHA standard booklet outline the training requirement for general industry, maritime, manufacturing, agriculture and federal employee program. Okay, the next one is communication is the key. Why I say communication is the key? Is that because when we have issue do occur, open communication ensure that the key that can be resolved easily and effectively. Talk about safety at every company meeting. Mention it employee newsletter and another publication. Provide plenty of opportunity for training. When communication is encouraged and expected, it allows for better accountability across the board. Okay, the next one is care about worker well-being. The management and the top leader must care about their employee and their well-being in order to develop healthy worker and a safe climate. Okay, as I said, as employee believe that people in position of leadership are really care about them. They are more likely to perform well in their work. Okay, the next one is pay attention to risky behavior. Risky acts are a red flag for dangerous activity. Even though they are performed in jest or joking way, employee must intervene if they notice that employee engage in horseplay, prank, mocking or bullying. This kind of act will lead to more dangerous activity and disrupt for safety culture. Okay, the last one is invest in leadership development. Organization will ensure that the safety culture is maintained by developing leaders who are well versed in those ideas and believe to cultivate the next generation of leader in the business. Company leader can invest leadership development initiative even if those employees do not advance in the business. Leadership growth give them sense of ownership, making them more likely work hard and stay loyal. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sabrina binti Bakri Amiruddin and my mentoring number is 273934. So, offering an excellent quality service is what makes the difference from the competition and allows for customer loyalty. It is followed by factors such as flexibility, specialization, speed, business optimization, and sustainability. Quality is more than about providing a product or service that beats expectations. It is also about developing a reputation for regularly providing among the best that the customer will experience. Quality control is essential for small companies because it will contribute to customer satisfaction while lowering the probability and expense of replacing defective merchandise. Companies may also develop a credibility for a quality by obtaining accreditation with a recognized quality level. In such case, if the organization or the warehouse is not meeting the expectation, demand and service for their desire, the customer can end up going to another organization or warehouse that is fulfilling their expectation. In order to create a standard of satisfying customer, those warehouse need to offer the best service for them to make the customer value the quality to its services. To sum up, product or service consistency is something that especially logistic businesses should always prioritize. Creating a high quality goods or service would remain the most critical priority for consumers. This is a vital principle to understand in a world where it is difficult to anticipate consumer demands.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Muhammad Akidimpel bin Nur Aziz Jumper 272296. So today I will talk about the importance of continuous improvement in warehouse operation. Unsurprisingly, that lean and quality improvement necessitate a significant amount of effort. It is important to consider the implication of a performance improvement before embarking on one. Here are the 3 advantages of performance improvement in warehouse. First is employees that are more involved are the first profit, according to a Gallup survey of US staff conducted in 2015. 32% of employees were active in their employment. Lean communicates to workers the importance of their thought on employee process and innovation. The proposal should be thoroughly reviewed and, if effective, applied in organization. Continuous development drive to enhancement of both system and goods. Company who consistently seek opportunities to improve their operation will invariably expand their product and service offering.
Hello, my name is Sharifah Lailatul Nadira binti Said Suhaimi. My metric number is 273919. I will explain about steps in implementing warehouse quality management. The first step is warehouse arrangement. Key points that need to be considered are warehouse layout, warehouse labeling areas, and inventory management. The management should maintain enough working space for employees to travel around. The second step is warehouse fulfillment technique. The ability of the warehouse workers to fulfill the orders with efficiently and accurately are the strong requirement in the warehouse management. These techniques such as picking, packaging, shipping, and all the overall distribution plan. The third step are on-house warehouse receive and managing new stock. Choosing a new warehouse system is the next step in implementing warehouse quality management. WMS is one of the management software which is some kind will virtually eliminate large portion of the legwork involved in all of the procedure. The final are measuring warehouse efficiency. By using KPI to measuring and tracking warehouse management process, this KPI included receiving efficiency, rate of return, picking accuracy, and lead time for order.
My name is Warna Shazwani binti Zulkifli. My matrix number is 267597. So I will present the definition and implementation of lean management in warehouse. Lean warehouse management is that the method of developing warehouse operation in such the way on bring resources consumption to a minimum while not sacrificing productivity. In different words, lean warehouse management aims to confirm your team never use a lot of resources than they have once finishing a selected task. For the instance, lean management aims to get rid of wastage within the warehouse like internal transportation, defects, inventory that is engaged, inward and outward bounce areas, material storage and handling, movement of people, waiting time delays, and conjointly overrun. Then the next one is implementation of warehouse. There is 5S in lean manufacturing implementation, which is the first one is sort. or the Japanese called seiri, involve removing unneeded item from the workplace. The second one is set in order, seitun, requires each unique work area to be arranged for convenience and efficiency. The third one is shine, seiso, requires employees to clean their work area after every shift. This step is designed to help workers spot potential issue by removing clutter, debris and other items that may make it more difficult to find problem. The fourth one is standardized seiketsu, which consists of documenting successful improvement so they can be more easily applied in other work areas. And the last one is sustain, shitsuke, requires each step in 5S to be repeated on a daily basis. This will ensure that the warehouse management system can improve work practice on a daily basis. That's all from me. Thank you.
So let's move to the next topic. So in the last decades, using the Internet of Things for warehouse management become more than a promising concept. Having to meet ever-changing consumer needs is crucial for companies to remain competitive. Warehouse management and operating system must be efficient and error-free in order to deliver products efficiently and quickly. Using IoT devices such as RFID tags, device-to-device communication, sensors, and other types of networking, warehouse managers can easily and accurately monitor the exact location and progress of the product. So the benefit of using IoT in warehouse management such that it provides a real-time data on transportation conditions, product locations, packaging integrity, and others. Thanks to the technology nowadays, the store managers can certify that no inventory is missing during shipment and that supply chain suppliers can handle deliveries safely. Other than that, the use of IoT in warehouse can improve transparency. This is because IoT allows store managers to collect warehouse and supply chain data in real time and share it with the customers. This way, a shopper will not be disappointed if a wanted product is unavailable. The system will also send a notification once a store is restocked. The good example of the IoT application for smart warehousing shown by the Amazon Warehouse Automation company, which they are using the robots to work alongside with other human workers. Other than that, Alibaba and DHL Smart Warehouse also shown the same technological and modern concept for their warehouse.
Okay, next I will talk about risk management in warehouse operation. Every 11 days, warehouse in North America lose about $500,000 due to unexpected threat, like employee fraud and merchandise destruction, cost manufacturers and wholesalers billions of dollars per year around the world. When warehouses are used in operation, it is important to consider all possible threats. The Internet of Things is the underlying idea that inform how you manage all your warehouse moving piece. It will assist your warehouse in reducing damage and avoid errors, human errors or injuries that can result in supply chain delay by early detection. Sensor in the warehouse can monitor temperature, moisture and other factors. That's all for me. Thank you.
From February 2021 onwards, COVID vaccine 19 will be available to the public, which is a current issue for warehouse management in the year 2021. Pfizer vaccine needs storage at sub-zero temperature, which certain medical facilities will not be able to afford. Cold chain distribution in pharma is complicated even in normal times. The vaccine is based on a novel approach that targets the virus with synthetic mRNA and induce an immune response. Since mRNA is more fragile, the vaccine must be kept at a lower temperature to keep it stable. The WHO estimate that over 50% of vaccination are thrown away each year due to lack of cold chain capacity. Although the country may receive sufficient quantity in a total, vaccine wastage may occur due to lack of cold chain capacity in their warehouse to handle deliveries.